In this video, I'll demonstrate how to format the lines in a line chart. I'll start by clicking on one of the lines to select it. Next, I'll right-click, and in the pop-up menu, select Format Data Series. The Format Data Series options appear on the right side. I'll left-click on the paint bucket icon. From here, I have various options. I could change the color of the line, perhaps its width, and I could also check the Smooth Line command if I'd like to make this line look more flowing. Now that this panel is open on the right side, I can left-click on one of the other lines and make similar manipulations.